We're going on a boat.
Because we are.
Our friends Helen and Aaron have a boat in the marina of Reykjavik. Didn't know that existed. And they invited us out today.
We brought some Italian snacks.
We sampled them last night. They're so good. Hi! Oh.
Hi.
Gaman att se dig. Vi just kicked it.
We get here and Helen told us that this morning the boat was half sinking in the water. So we're excited for an adventure. This is our gas gauge.
I can't touch it so it's not full.
Last long way, I usually do the circle and I'm like half full.
The boys are very responsible.
So there are certain areas you want to avoid and this has helped me for sure.
Fuel mission success. Now we gotta get some lunch. Good luck. The boys are gonna go get us some lunch at an authentic Icelandic food hall. This is a food hall. Let's see what they bring us. We chose this really nice Icelandic summer day. As you can see, it's pouring now. We really don't get much of a choice here in Iceland. You get what you get. And you mostly get gray and rain. Good thing we packed our rain jackets. Korean! Oh my god, what happened to my shoulder?
Oh Jesus, what happened?
Did I touch something?
What do we have here? Mystery lunch.
Mystery lunch. Lunchtime!
Lunchtime on the boat.
In the rain. The fish are coming.
A lot of them.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a big one.
So this thing shows where the fish are and they're coming towards us. What do we got? Oh! Oh yes! Vicky! Oh no!
We'll get it on. I think it was Isa.
Isa? Who's that? We're taking the extra fish from our fish tacos at lunch. And we're gonna try to fish with that.
You need this.
Oh, here it comes.
More rain is coming this way. Oh god. The rain is here. The boys are fishing in the rain. We have still 0 fish. Hey. Oh, sorry. We're in the shelter, but the radar is beeping off the hook that there's fish in the area. They just don't want anything to do with us. Are you having fun, Vicky?
Yeah.
It's pretty cozy down here.
We are just enjoying life.
We're
Waiting
dry.
for food.
Our plan A was to send the boys fishing while we wait, and then we were gonna cook the fish. Really glad we didn't go with that plan.
No, we will go hungry.
We'd be so angry right now.
Killing it.
It's not very hard. It's easier than driving. Should we get a boat?
Yes. Let's get a boat.
Okay, let's buy it on Facebook Marketplace and just go sailing.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
We're doing it.
Where did you drive us to?
Puffin Island. You see it?
Yep.
It's Puffin there. Iceland has ice. Puffin Island has Puffin.
Helen is a girl boss. Driving the boat, parking the boat. Oh my god, perfection.
Oh, it's always like this.
You crushed it.
First try.
We made it back in one piece. It did rain 95% of the time. Yes.
We caught 1 fish, but it got loose straight away. But I had to row the boat home.
We saw puffins and we had a cozy lunch.
It's pretty good. Pretty good boat trip.
Just your typical summer afternoon in Reykjavik. We're lucky to have friends like this who invite us on their fun boat and invite us to do fun things like this. You guys are doing great. Great job!
Last time. Not going to be the last time.
No, let's do it again. We have to get the fish next time.
You guys need a redemption on the
Got
fish.
like
Yes.
half the fish. No, like how do you say it? Almost got it.
Yeah, I mean, it was at the surface.
The failure on the one with the.
Yes.
Oh, we were not ready with the net.
No, because I
That was
so
me.
quick
Sorry.
catching it.
Sorry. Sorry, my bad. I'll take responsibility. I should have had the net.